Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is left of my planner stash. I did two D-stash sales, one in July and then another one around my birthday in October. So thank you to all of you that purchased things from my planner stash and are making use of it, because I just didn't want to throw it in the trash. Well, I wouldn't do that. I did donate a lot of stuff as well, from craft stuff to so much more. I've just been purging a lot this year and keeping what I truly love. So what exactly do I have left? So I have planners, like I have my Michaels functional binder planner. I have a B6 print impression. I have a ton of notebooks. So that's that stuff. But what stickers do I have left? Because I got rid of a lot of stickers and I am very picky about the stickers that I purchase now. So we're going to get into that. And then also the other thing that I have in my planner stash, which I keep in here with some other random things. I have a lot of sticky notes and then I have a whole bin of sticky notes as well. So sticky notes and then list pads that I use from Cloth and Paper. These are one of the things that are staples in my stash when it comes to my functional planning, but the stickers are more so for my decorative planning. So I have this box here actually, which I need to put into one of these systems. This is how I have all my stickers stored right now. I have this larger one, which is from Capital Chic Designs at Michaels, and this one's from Michaels as well, but I can't remember the shop. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys to check out, as well as some other alternatives to sticker albums. And when I say sticker albums, these are not like the photo albums that you can stick stickers inside. These are reusable sticker albums where you put the stickers on the page and voila. I'm trying to actually see if I have a snow day sticker anywhere in here, because as I'm filming this, it's snowing, but winter is also coming. So I have a lot of Gold Mine and Cocoa inside of here. I do have some Happy Planner stuff. Pear Tea Papery, one of my faves. This is Pear Tea Papery. Planner Society. This is Gold Mine and Cocoa. Two Little Bees. And what else do we have in here? I forgot the shop to this one, but I'll link it below. And then these are from Clever Fox. So that's what's inside of this smaller one. And then the larger one here has stickers from Michaels. So Capital Chic from Michaels, and then Capital Chic Designs from her shop. I do have some Simply Me Kish. This is Fabulously Creative. Indian Ivy Ink, the collection at Michaels. But I feel with Paper House, I feel that this is also in her shop. So more Indian Ivy Ink. And I have some more stickers back here. Any stickers that I use in my memory planner, like the leftover kits, I just add them to here. So Gold Mine and Cocoa. I have plenty of pages left for me to add whatever it is that I want. And then I have some Jewel Box, more Simply Me Kish, Anika's Creative Closet, Made with Southern Love, more Pear Tea, more Jewel Box. These are Happy Planner stickers that I save for faith planning. I believe this is Golden Plans Co. Birch and Birdie. This is from E. Michelle. And then more Jewel Box. I thought I had some snow stickers. I'm gonna have to make some. So then it brings me to this. this that I have left over from, well, it's not left over, the new stickers that I got from Gold Mine and Cocoa. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these dolls into this sticker book, and then also the trunk pieces, and then I have kits. The kits, I am not sure if I want to. I probably won't add the kits to the pages. The dolls, sure. But the kits, because of these smaller stickers, I'm just gonna add those to the folder in the back. And then this, I completely forgot that I had. It is the Peyton bucket list. So I'm actually going to make a page in my memory planner and then check off the things that I actually did. So I'll share that in another video. And then these were just the cards that I had, and I did share those in a haul. And then these are stickers that I got from Cactus Paper Co. It's just a whole bunch of shop samplers. I'm going to see what it is that I want to keep, but I'm not even going to go through that right now. I'll do that later. I'm just focused on transferring over this Gold Mine and Cocoa stuff, but that is literally all that I have left in my collection. Legit. And these Gold Mine and Cocoa dolls, like, do y'all see this? The quality is like A1. It is A1. So, and these kinds of stickers, I will say that when using these reusable sticker books, you have to be careful with these stickers because you don't want them to rip. So be very patient and careful when you're peeling them off the page. And these stickers I actually used when I was making the cover and doing some of the inside pages of my current planner. So cute. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer these over, and then I'll be done. I'll be back on track. And some of these I will use throughout the winter and whatever else. Some of these are like seasonal, but not all of them. And although this is the mistletoe collection that she did, Felicia did the damn thing with this one. But the Gold Mine and Cocoa team is like superb when it comes to shipping and responding and customer service. I've had nothing but great experiences with that. And for the dolls that I have duplicate of, I think I have duplicate of this girl in the dress. I didn't mean to put her down. For the dolls that I have duplicate of, I'm just going to do that on a separate. Oh, you see how that peeled up? So bend the page a little bit and then go like that, and then you should be good. So I would love to hear from you guys in the comments how you store your stickers, but let me go ahead and finish adding these to my book, and that'll be it. So that is it for me transferring these over, but also just what's left in my collection. A lot of the shops that I have purchased from lately, majority have been black owned, and if you guys are interested in more black owned shops within the planner community, I'll have the videos that I did on that linked in the description box, and in those respective description boxes you'll find the direct links to those shops, and the ones that I featured, I'll have those linked in the description box, all the shops that I said. So again, this is it. I have this, and then I have this little one. And I know that Gold Mine and Cocoa has one, and there's some other shops that have these reusable sticker albums. I just never got the one from Gold Mine and Cocoa. The one from Gold Mine and Cocoa is about half the size of this. This is a big one, and I talked more about this sizing in another video, which I'll link below for you guys too. And then the other stickers that, if they're not in there, I keep them inside of here. the folder inside of my memory planner. But that is it for my stickers. That's what's left of my stash. This all goes into my memory planner. I don't put this into my catch-all. This is all for accenting the pages of my memory planner, which is a mix of heavy deco with sticker kits, stickers like these, whether it's icons or adding in extra boxes, or me just writing directly on the paper. So this is primarily for memory planning. Would love to hear what you guys have in your planner stash in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for related links to videos as well as products featured, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not already up to date, I do have a shop, a custom gift shop, 15 Roses. So you can head over to 15roses.com to check that out, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at shop15roses. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Would love to have you join the Chaotic Critic fam. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.